So John, I guess the idea of this video is to convince people to take our course, right?
That's the general idea, Dave.
Okay, so how about this? Everyone should take this course!
I'm not sure that's very convincing, Dave.
Oh.
I think that we should give reasons why people should take the course. And they can evaluate the reasons and decide whether they want to take the course based on them.
I'm Dave Barker-Plummer.
And I'm John Etchamendi.
And we're the instructors for the course Language, Proof and Logic.
So let's see if we can construct a convincing argument why you should take this course.
Well, first of all, the Language, Proof and Logic course is fun and informative. If a course is fun and informative, then everyone should take it. Therefore, everyone should take the Language, Proof and Logic course. Why did you write it like that, John?
Well, the sentence below the horizontal line is the conclusion of the argument, and the one above is the premise.
Informative is good, but we need to be more specific. In this course, you will learn how to produce and analyze arguments, or pieces of reasoning, which start from a collection of premises, things that we take to be true, and arrive at a conclusion. We'll develop a way of thinking about arguments that will help us to decide whether they are correctly constructed. We call that valid. And therefore, whether the conclusion of the argument follows from the premises.
Now, it turns out that there are a number of things that make this pretty tricky, so we'll have to address these in the process. One is that people usually express arguments in a natural language like English, but natural languages are not typically used in a very precise way. They allow for ambiguity and imprecision in a number of different ways. So one thing we'll do is develop a formal language which will allow us to be precise about what sentences we're using and what those sentences mean.
We call this language the language of first-order logic.
Okay, Dave, we covered the informative part. Why is it going to be so fun?
Well, obviously, we're fun guys. And there are a lot of things about the course to like. There are fireworks and jokes, and Abraham Lincoln makes a guest appearance.
More important, though, is that we've provided software applications that you can use to explore the concepts described in the course. That means that you don't have to spend all of your time listening to us drone on about logic.
I never drone, John. So to summarize, experienced instructors, software tools to make learning fun, jokes and fireworks, information about analyzing and producing valid arguments, 2 theories of logical reasoning. I think everyone should take this course.
Well, I'm convinced, and we hope you are too.